What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited because I'm going to cook for my meat eater friends and I'm going to make some falafel burgers. So the main point is to show that you can actually be a junkie and still have a burger even though you're a vegan. Although it's going to be much healthier but still super delicious. So let's do that!
Start with making falafel first. You will need 2 cans of chickpeas, 2 handfuls of spinach, half an onion, 4 to 5 garlic cloves, spices like cumin, garlic powder, paprika, salt and pepper, and 2 tablespoons of chickpea or normal flour, but that's really not necessary. Place everything in the food processor. Process until consistency is even. You might need to give some help once in a while with the spoon if the mixture is staying on the sides of the food processor. Once it's done, add flour and mix it in, but as I said before, it's really not mandatory to add it. Place mixture in the bowl and start making your falafels. Adjust the size of your falafel to your burger bun because, yeah, size matters. Heat up the pan. You're going to need quite amount of oil, however you can also bake them in the oven without oil at all. By the way, I left the sound on because I think it sounds so nice. I just wish I could record smell as well. Here they are! While making falafels, I also made some oven-baked potatoes, both regular and sweet ones. Add some oil, salt, other spices, and mix it all in. Bake it in the oven for approximately 30 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius.
Now let's get back to burgers and make some guacamole.
You will need 3 avocados, half an onion, half paprika and spices. Pile the avocados, then add spices like salt, paprika, pepper and garlic powder, and then smash it with a fork. Add onion and paprika. Mix it all together, and you can also add some lemon juice. And now let's start making the first burger. Obviously you will need a burger bun, previously done falafels, some pickle, tomato, lettuce and guacamole. You can choose order of the burger as you wish, but I like it with lots of guacamole.
First time trying vegan burgers. Wish me luck, guys. Awesome.
Can you feel the protein? Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed. See full recipe down below. Give me thumbs up, subscribe and see you next time. Bye!